fancy before the show. Oh, hello, boys and girls. What the? Is that a ghost? Never mind. Anyways, back to the show. What are you doing? What is this thing? This is a sock! I see the ghost again. I smell salami. Where is it? No, my sock. Stop stalking me. Mom, help me. Charge! What do you have in your hand? Come here. Don't touch my sock. Stop. I love my sock. I'll take it with me anywhere. No, my sock. Give it back. Come here. I can't stop explaining how much I love this sock. Oh, hello there. Is that the ghost? OMG. I finally found the ghost. What should I do? Anyways, bye guys, I'm done.